Okay, welcome to Funtime. So today we are here with Miss Gigi, Borjay's mom, and we are going to ask her some questions about feedback about our Funtime school in Siracha. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Alright. How are you?
I'm fine.
Alright.
How about you?
I'm good. Okay, that's good to know. Like, so the first question is, how did you know Funtime?
We got the information and know Funtime from Facebook, and then we called to Funtime, and the first step we joined the open house, and then we interested in this class with Funtime.
Alright, that's good to know. Alright, so second one, does Borjay like it here?
Yes, she likes here very much, and she asked that when we will join the Funtime, what is the day?
She's always like looking forward.
Yeah, looking forward to join Funtime.
Oh wow, that's really good. Like, I can always see she's really interested in our class and like dancing. Like, she wants more. Yeah. So what are the developments that you saw in Borjay since she's studying in Funtime?
She understands English better, and she can listen and feedback like that to use English language. Even like in that school, we got the feedback from teacher that she used English very good.
Yeah, like it's good to know that she improved a lot,
Yes.
right? Since
And
she's
this one is make she confident as well.
Oh, that's nice to hear. All right, and then why did you decide to continue like enrolling her for the second semester?
The first thing that we asked she first, what is her opinion, and she loved to join Funtime. She have like activity and like dance something, and
Yeah.
then we decided yes we should continue because this is good for her and good for family as well.
All right. So thank you so much. It's really good to hear like good feedbacks, and it's good to hear the improvements of Borjay. And I really hope to continue to see her here and join with the teachers and her friends. Like, thank you so much, Miss Vicky. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Goodbye.